Kyani triangle of health, who needs that? That's a question which is important to understand. In a today's lifestyle, everybody who deals with the day-to-day stresses, work, environmental stresses, dealing with for women dealing with work and family life, all of us need certain nutrients to keep us up with our lifestyles. We, as a nutritional products, we cannot claim it treats and cure disease. If you look at our sunrise, with all the super fruits now, combined with the vitamin A to Z, gives you a perfect antioxidant loaded with vitamin product. The ingredients in the Kyani Sunrise, Kyani Sunset, and Nitro Extreme and NitroFX are on the cutting edge science. The way to understand that is the noni plant from which we were able to derive what the current product. For the distributors, I would advise when they have to introduce a product to somebody, it's important to give something which people feel the different and they feel the effect. And that's what Nitro Extreme Effects does that. Why do I need the triangle of health? Why not one product? To understand that is important to understand what the Kyani triangle of health includes. It's basically a unique product. It's a unique triangle of health which includes essential 3 products which provide you the daily essential vitamins, which provide you all the antioxidants from the superfruits, and it also provides you essential fatty acids which are essential for all living cells and all human beings. We were the first company which were able to isolate and label what the product, why it is beneficial for multiple areas. You know, if you look at the initial first product, NitroFX and Nitro Extreme, just by what we did from the research what Dr. Tom Burke did initially, that is the brilliance how the model was created. If you look at when people take vitamins, people take superfruits, the question comes up is how is the delivery, can the body utilize everything? What we have done is by creating a triangle which includes the NitroFX or the Nitro Extreme, we generate nitric oxide in the system, so we are able to confirm the delivery is absolutely different than anything out there. So when you take NitroFX before you take Sunset, before you take Sunrise, it immediately generates nitric oxide and you're able to deliver what is needed for the body. When I look at Kyani, and the question is raised always, what about global health? I consider Kyani as a global company, and with the triangle of health, do we have global solutions? And my answer is yes. What the research behind that is, that gives you the answer right there. Right from our triangle, if you look at the NitroFX or the Nitro Extreme, the nitric oxide which is generated by that, nitric oxide controls every physiological function in the body, from your heart health, from your lung health, from your brain health. If you look at the major worldwide issues, global health issues, number 1 is heart disease, number 2 stroke, diabetes, cancer. These are the major 4 global issues. If you look at, people who utilize triangle of health by taking the proper lifestyle, by proper exercise, by proper applying the Kyani triangle of health in their life, they can actually prevent these. Because if you look at these conditions, they're all preventable conditions, and millions of people die worldwide. I think we can give them a good solution, and we have a good products to resolve some of these issues. You know, people ask, why do I need superfruits? You know, why do I need extra vitamins? Because I eat healthy. What consumer needs to understand is our nutrition, even if you're eating organic foods, the studies show they still have pesticides in there. They're not 100% organic. And most of the nutrition which is available to us in the form of food actually lacks a lot of basic nutrients. Minerals are lacking, vitamins are lacking because the soil is depleted. So what we need for maintaining health and to avoid future diseases, to maintain our health, we need products which provide us the basic vitamins, basic nutrients, basic antioxidants, so we can maintain health and basic essential fatty acids. If you look at the Kyani triangle of health, you know, how do these products help in these conditions? Let's pick up one condition. The number 1 problem in the world is cardiovascular health, heart disease. Approximately 17 million people die each year around the world globally with the cardiovascular disease, with the heart disease. In US alone, 1.2 million people get heart attacks each year, and about 250,000 people die. So what we can do, if we're picking up the major number 1 condition, what triangle of health, Kyani triangle of health do is, if you look at the antioxidants which are present in our superfruits. If you look at the vitamin content, studies show how they can prevent prolonged life. If you look at the essential fatty acids present in our sunset, the EPA DHA has a tremendous research for benefiting the heart disease. If you look at the nitric oxide model, what the NitroFX and NitroExtreme produces, that's the key thing. The key actually is if you can generate enough nitric oxide throughout your life and maintain it, you won't get into all this situation where you're exposed to a heart attack. So if you tie up these products together, we have a remarkable Kayani triangle of health, which can play a major role for solving these global issues, including the heart attack, heart disease. You know, when people ask me, what does the distributor do when their doctors don't recommend the products or they're not in nutrition, my simple answer to that is fire the doctor. Because there are lots of doctors out there who are interested in what they call integrative model, who are interested in nutrition. So they need to find a doctor who helps them. There's no parallel product in the industry with that, what we have. So if I was a distributor and if somebody asked me, that why they don't want to take a product, the question I'll ask them is health and wellness important to them? Is it important to their family? Is it important to their own self? Do they have a family history of heart disease? Do they have a family history of cancer? Showed that when you generate nitric oxide, you can actually change the whole model how the nutrition industry looks at. Once you have generated the nitric oxide, you can basically utilize all the nutrients which are available. And in our sunrise, if you look at, it's loaded with superfruits. The ORAC value is over 100,000. I can say that now. It was over 100,000. Do they have a history of immune disorders? Are they concerned about it? So if they have a concern, then they need to make changes now. For more information, visit www.kayaniscience.com.